As the fleet arrives in Dickinson Bay, the afternoon air is filled with the beat of island music. Sails are furled and anchors are set. Self-appointed social committees dinghy around to the incoming boats, announcing where the party action is going to be tonight. A lot of the racers in Antigua Sailing Week charter another boat used as a mothership. The racing boat rafts up to the mothership, which offers showers, food, beer, and more bunks for the crew. This normally secluded beach area is invaded by more than 4,000 sailors and local Antiguans. The beach is turned into an endless line of food stalls, t-shirt shops, and makeshift pubs. Barbecued chicken appears to be the favorite snack of the day. As more sailors arrive ashore, we talk to a few people about the day's racing.
I fly the spinnaker.
Do you?
Yeah.
Fantastic. And you drive?
I'm a tactician.
Technician?
Tactician.
Oh, tactician. I know.
A tactician. Yeah. Is this the what tacticians
Yes,
do?
it's a tagging.
This is a tactician. Have another beer and tack.
If
That's
you're
it.
in doubt, you drink another beer, then you make the decision.
That's it.
It makes it all easy.
Everyone wants a t-shirt, but which one and how much is the question.
When?
We came in first yesterday, and then they DNF'd the whole entire class.
Oh yeah. Well, everybody got that.
Oh well.
Yeah. That's life.
Second over the line, but we got sixth over.
Really? So what are you gonna do tomorrow?
Out there.
Stop.
Go faster.
It's a beat all the way, 26 miles.
Tomorrow. I know.
So you guys.
My day is the day after, so we just have
Yeah?
Everyone dances the night away island style, and morning comes fast as Race 2 takes place early in the morning. Race 2 is an Olympic course set off the shores of Dickinson Bay. David Hart briefs his partied-out crew on the way to the start line. Race 2 is a real test of tactics, and sail handling for crews is the name of the game today.
Across, we may go out straight and jive back into sea, okay? But this leg here is only about 2 miles. This is only about a mile.
A fresh breeze coming off the tip of the island wakes up the bleary-eyed sailors, and the adrenaline starts pumping again. Big boats head for the line. It looks like another tight start. Everybody knows first off the line means clear air and a best chance to stay in front. Ian Martin on Red Stripe Express is testing his speed against Martinique. The wind is 12 to 15 knots and shifty. Swans round up for the reaching leg. Getting the kites up fast and finding room at the mark is a real test of good crewing. Spinnakers go up without a hitch. The wind is a steady 15 knots out of the east. Another day in sailor's paradise. With conditions like these, it's no wonder more sailors keep coming back to Antigua Sailing Week every year. A A few small clouds roll over the fleet, causing a wind shift. Red Stripe Express falls into a windless hole. Ian Martin drops a spinnaker and tries to sail out. Martinique has trouble dousing her spinnaker and gets caught in the wind shift and goes out of control. She's on the verge of broaching, and Red Stripe gets blocked in and isn't happy about it.